What secret weapon tipped the scales during the Siege of Vienna in 1683? As Ottoman forces encircled the city, European defenders unveiled a hidden arsenal. Advanced flintlock muskets and portable cannons, smuggled in through covert supply lines. These firearms, far more reliable and rapid than the Ottoman matchlocks, gave Vienna's defenders a lethal edge. Smoke and thunder rolled from the city walls, shocking the besiegers. The defenders' this secret firepower broke the siege, forever altering Europe's destiny and marking a turning point in the age of gunpowder warfare.